Oh, 500 is heavy. 85 is like a feather.
It doesn't run. Move! Made it. You don't have any gas?
No, I have like a half tank left.
It's right here, I think. Hey, oh God, ow! There's a tree there.
Yeah. I bet you're thankful you got those new brakes.
What?
I bet you're glad you got the new brakes.
I'm glad I got new brakes, yeah. Oh God. Don't go there. You sink. Might want to move. Well, don't go where that pond is. I wish I had some a brush guard.
Yeah, same. I'm gonna get something like it's not metal.
Hey, is Mikey home today?
Huh?
Mikey home today?
I don't have a phone.
It's in the garage, so let's go.
I'll ask him to go back over there. Let's go look for more trails though.
No.
You wanna go ask me to go over there?
Yes. Yeah.